Good morning, students. Today we will do theorem 10.6 and 10.7 of chapter 10. 10.6 is equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. You can see that this is a circle with center O. Chords AB and CD are equal. We have to prove that OM is equals to ON. This is N. So we have to prove that OM is equals to ON. For this we have to do some construction. We have to join OA and OC. We have drawn a perpendicular on this, which is the distance of a chord from the center. So let us prove it. Proof. We know that AB is equals to CD. This is given equal chords of circle. So half of AB is equals to half of CD. So half of AB we can take AM and this we can take CM. Okay. We know that this we can say by the fact that perpendicular from the center of a circle to chord bisect the chord. Okay. This also fact we can use here. Perpendicular from the center. This is the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. It means ON bisect this chord CD. So CN is equals to DN and here you can take AM is equals to BN. Okay. Now in triangle OMA, this triangle, and triangle OMC. We have OA is equals to OC. This OA is equals to OC. Radius of the circle OA and OC. Then AM is equals to CN. Just now we have proved. AM is equals to CN. This side and this side. Just now proved. And angle ONC is equals to OMA. Angle OMA is equals to angle ONC. Each 90 degree because these are perpendicular, so each 90 degree. So we can say that our triangles OMA and triangle ONC are congruent by RHS. Okay, this is R, this is H and this is S. RHS, our triangles are congruent. So by CPCT, now by CPCT, OM is equals to ON. OM is equals to ON. So we can say that AB and CD are equidistant from the center. AB and CD are equidistant from the center. Hence, proved. Now, theorem 10.7. Chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. See, this theorem is converse of previous theorem. Okay. In that theorem it was given that chords are equal and we have to prove that they are equidistant from the center. In this theorem, it is given that chords are equidistant and we have to prove that they are equal in length. So again you can see a circle with chords AB and CD. It is given that they are equidistant. It means OM is equals to ON. OA and OC are the radius. So this construction we will do. Okay. This OM and ON are perpendicular because we know the distance of a chord from center is perpendicular. So we have to prove that AB is equals to CD. These two theorems are very important theorems. You have to apply these theorems in many questions. Okay, so be careful and learn it properly. So, and the proof of these two theorems are also not given in your book. So copy this and understand it properly. So proof: since perpendicular from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord so we can say that AM is equals to half of AB and CN is equals to half of CD. Now in triangles, same जैसे हमने पहले किया था. Now in triangles, OMA and ONC, we have OA is equals to OC, radius of circle. Okay, OA and AC radius. OM is equals to ON. This is given to us. Okay, now we'll take angle. ONC is equals to OMA, each 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. So our triangles OMA and triangle ONC are congruent. By which congruency? By RHS. You can see this 90 degree we are using, this side we are taking, and OA and OC hypotenuse we are taking. So these are congruent by RHS. So by CPCT we can take, by CPCT we can say that AM is equals to CN, which is half of AB, and this is half of CD. So AB is equals to CD. These are the perpendiculars from the center bisects the chord. We know this. Perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, we know. So half of AB we can, in this place AM and CN we can write half of AB, and here we can write half of CD. So half of cancelled and we have got AB is equals to CD. Hence we can write, hence chords equidistant from the center, chords equidistant from the center are equal in length. Hence proved. So is it clear? We have started with AM is equals to half of AB, CN is equals to half of CD. You Okay, now we'll take these two triangles OMA and ONC. We have given that OA is equals to OC, radius है, OM and ON are given, and these two angles are 90 degree. So our triangles are congruent by RHS. By CPCT we'll take AM is equals to CN, and AM and CN are half of AB and half of CT, because perpendiculars from the center bisect the chord, so we can write AB is equals to CD. Hence the chords equidistant from the circle of center of a circle are equal in length.